Hi, today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to remove favorites on your SC account or website. So first of all, all you need to do, just go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course, here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course, in my case, oh sorry, I mean the opposite. In my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course, in your case, you can use any other browser. Could be possibly working for you. So once you actually opened your browser, just go here to the URL section and type etsy.com and hit the enter button. That will take you into this page. So if you are logged in into your account, you'll find the sentence here with welcome back and your name or your username. Of course, if you are not logged in into your account or you don't even have an account, you'll find at the top right corner an option called sign in. Click on it to log in or to create your account. Of course, you will be able to do both options with the Facebook, Google, or even an Apple account if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating or even logging in into your account. So once you did that, as we said, you will find yourself here at this home page with this sentence. Of course, as we said in the beginning of the video, if you would like to remove any item from your favorites, it's simple. So first of all, let me just make some items as favorites because I don't have anything as my favorite. So let me just click on this. That's how I actually make it favorite. Just go to the item and press the hearts button. Of course, let me just go with this, and this. Let me just scroll down, maybe this as well. So of course, how would I like to remove this? Simply, I'm just going to click at my icon or at the hearts icon at the top right corner. And from there, I'll find those items that I make as favorites. Of course, how to remove them from favorites, just go to the same item and click on the heart icon again. Click on the and check this button and click at done. As you can see, removed from favorites. You can do the same for the other things as well. So do this. Oh, I didn't mean to open it. And check it. Hearts and check done. Hearts and check done. And now let's just refresh the page, and as you can see, I have nothing on my favorite item. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.